Oh, okay, let us discuss. This is the correction which we are doing for problem number 1.122. So we said something about, so beware here. Beware here. So that is the total work done. Now beware here, we are some confusion. So let us assume, in the question it is asked what is the total frictional work done. It is not the total work done. You see, this is the total force down the incline. You see the back page. So what is the total force down the incline? That is mg sin alpha minus kmg cos alpha. What is the frictional force? This kmg cos alpha is the only frictional force you see here. So friction force is nothing but kmg cos alpha. So you see, I have to neglect another term. I have to put only kmg cos alpha. So this term is not there if I am only interested in frictional force. So the frictional force is this times this is the distance L2 which we have already found. So this is the L2 distance. Now the second term, along the horizontal line the friction force will be kmg times L. Once again this force will be negative because the frictional forces are negative in nature. This is negative, this is negative. Now next is, after putting these values, so these two forces I have to add. So if this force and this force I have, basically I am adding, I will get the desired result. Now this is simply massaging the equation. You see, kmg, so this becomes minus k into k square, mg cos alpha into L divided by sin alpha minus k cos alpha minus kmgl. Now if you take this is in the denominator and you put this massaging, you will get the desired result. And this is the answer. You just keep it out and just write yourself and verify yourself, are you getting this is or not. You can verify yourself. There is no hard and fast. So this will be the total work done. You do yourself, you will find. I'm just waiting so that you can find the answer. So if you see this problem, this problem is basically finding the work done by the frictional forces. And one indirect thing is I don't know the value here. What is the distance from here to here? This we can found because I know the velocity here and I know the velocity here. In terms of this velocity, I know the velocity here because I know the acceleration. So if I use the initial velocity and final velocity becomes 0, I can use this fact and then I can find what is this distance. And now if I use this distance, I can find what is the total work done by frictional forces. Are you getting or not? In this equation, I have not used the kinetic energy, change in kinetic energy is equals to work done. But I have used the change in kinetic energy in a different form. That is, the velocity initial is 0, so I have found velocity here. And then velocity is 0, if some velocity is there, so I can find there is a velocity. So I have used the velocity, initial velocity is 0, final velocity is 0. But I have not used the fact that change in kinetic energy is equals to work done, total work done. We would have done something different. We would have found total work done, and then I would have perhaps subtracted the work done by mgh. So total work done minus work done by mgh, I would have done. That is another possibility. And that is the fairly easy problem. If you have not written something, let us write. So this is the thing. If you have missed something, you can write it here. And in the next slide, I am thinking to make something like, I will take these all things, you can make photocopy, you can have a Xerox, or I can give you the soft copy at first when you are reading the problem, when you are listening the problem, you can copy these soft copies on your notebook and then you just listen. This is another way to doing this problem. I am thinking that you first write and then you listen. I prefer that will be the better if you keep listening and writing. That will be the better option because this becomes a lectural habit. What you do in the lecture, you do the same thing. You listen and you write. But if you see the universities, the foreign university, what they do is, they does not write in the lecture. They give the soft copies and they find the listen simply. That's fine.